Alright guys, I just wanted to show you this really quick because I thought it was really cool. You see this Anubias plant right here? It's basically bounced back from nothing within just a couple weeks. I had it in my big cichlid tank here and it was just getting chewed up and ripped up and the light wasn't sufficient enough to grow the plant. So I put it in my 20-gallon community with a strong light. Within a few days it's already grown. Beautiful dark green color, guys. I can't recommend Anubias enough. It's just like keeping a plastic plant. That's how easy it is.